Hello everyone and welcome back to another tutorial for Medieval Dynasty. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can change the season length within this game. So let's get started right away. Now, when you are playing the Medieval Dynasty game, you may start from any season. However, based on the amount of days you have chosen as your season length, it might take different time for you to see changes in the season. If you wish to change this time duration, just tap on the escape button while you are playing the game, and now from the pause menu, click on Customize Game. From the Customize Game option, you can modify various different parameters. Just scroll down and you will find the Applied After Season Change options. At the very first, you will see the length of season. Just increase or decrease this based on how long you would like each season to last. You can choose a minimum of 1 day and a maximum of 30 days. After choosing your desired length of season, you can click on the Accept Changes button, and now you may go back to your gameplay and enjoy the season dynamics based on your choice and preference. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to change the season length within the Medieval Dynasty game. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more useful tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you again in the next one.